Alright, bro, today we're doing a Pizza Hut mukbang, bro. Pizza Hut mukbang, bro. Get the french fries. And a personal pan pizza. We're gonna try pizza first, bro. You feel me? We're gonna try the pizza first, bro. Look at the pizza. You feel me? You feel me? I'm about to jump in. They got our ranch, bro. So I'm about to dip the ranch in the fries. Actually, no, ranch in the wings first, bro. There we go. Try first. Now I got it. Very crunchy. Let's try it. I'll drop it real quick. Damn, bro. Yep. I gave this meal probably, to be honest with you, probably 7 out of 10. The pizza is okay. The wings are on. I like the best thing about this is the wings, bro. The wings are on point.